Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about this product right here. Now this is Loreal Paris introduces do-it-yourself highlights kit for naturally dark hair. Now I have naturally dark hair and I also color my hair dark black, that is jet black, as you can see. So this is basically a at-home or do-it-yourself or DIY highlighting kit. I am very skeptical about if this is gonna work or no, if anybody who wants to do it at home is going to be well equipped and well skilled to be doing this or no. Nonetheless, we'll be trying that and seeing if this is good enough a product or no. So the shade that I have got is caramel brown. So it is going to be a very nice chocolatey light brown, light as in very subtle brown, not very bright and loud in the face kind of a thing. It says that ultra glamorous highlights for fashionable hair. Let's see what this product contains before going on. This one retails for 350 rupees. There are two shades available. One is this and the other one, I'll put it somewhere here. You can check it out. And I'm gonna also put the link of Amazon where I bought this from in the description below. So do check it out. And now once you open, it comes with a warning like this. Not a warning, kind of an instruction that you should be color safe. If you're using any new colors, any new brands, anything new, you should always do a skin patch test. You should take a little bit of color in the developer, mix them together, put it behind your ear or maybe somewhere on your forearm where you cannot, like, I mean, you don't want to ruin your look or anything like that, but you can put it on, wash it after a given period of time, check for 24 hours and see if it is good enough for you or no, because these colors can be allergic. Okay, now the special thing about this one is that it comes with a specially designed highlighting tool. Now this highlighting tool is basically a comb kind of with hollows here, and you're supposed to basically dip this in the color and apply like this. I'm really skeptical about this. I don't know how my hair is gonna turn out. I don't even know if my hair is gonna get colored with this one or no, because this one looks like, if it is an at-home thing, I don't think this is gonna color my hair. But let's just check. So what else do I get in the packet is the information leaflet and some gloves. I see there is this small little tiny bottle that comes along, which is developer, which is step 1A. The second thing that we have inside is this little tube right here. Now this tube is also really tiny. This also says step 1B. So I think we're going to be mixing A and B together. A and B together, and this is going to be a step 1, and step 2 is probably going to be conditioning. Let's just check. There's something else inside. Conditioner, that is step 2. So you have to wash your hair and condition. So I'm going to quickly read the instructions and then I'm going to tell you the instructions as and when I go through the whole process. Alright, I'm going to begin with a non-metallic bowl. You always have to make sure that you use a non-metallic bowl. I'm using those basic plastic containers that you get from hotel if you order something. So I'm going to mix everything in this, like this, and then we're going to put on the gloves and start applying on my hair, which is making me really worried. So let's begin by mixing everything together. I've got my gloves on. Okay, now I really feel that the quantity is little too less, and I'm not sure if this is going to be enough for me or no, but let's just assume that this is going to be enough for me. So what we basically are supposed to be doing is parting our hair. So let's part the hair like so, comb it through, hold it, and what you're supposed to do is basically hold that highlighting comb just like so and keep on brushing your hair like so. So you have to start a little bit away from your root, like probably 2 to 3 centimeters away from your root, and you have to dip your brush every time in the color before stroking your hair. So let's just do this. I'm gonna put this away, keep this away, and start using the brush that we got with this mixture. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to dip it through. Okay, it's tough to get. Wow, I don't know how am I going to get this through. Anyways, this is how the color looks like on the brush. One side is too much, one side is not too much. But anyways, let's just begin by applying it on my hair. So this is how I'm going to begin. I don't want anything on my face framing hair, so I'm going to begin like this. Dip it again. Take a little bit of distance from here and dip it again and do it like this. They say that you have to be very light-handed on the roots and put a little more product on the tips of your hair. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this. Wow, I don't really think this is going to work for sure. Anyways, I'm going to part my hair a little bit. I need my comb back. So let's do it in another parting like so. Okay, now I feel that the color is a little too much because this brush is actually not holding up any color. So this is how it is again. So I'm going to start from the back this time. Okay, the color is almost off the brush. Dip it again. Put on the second one. Okay, let's do it. So we are in it. Wow, I am not sure how my hair is going to turn up. Okay, I am going to take this fully loaded brush, hold it like so, and put it on the back of my hair, because that's again where I want my color to be. I don't only want the color to be in the front. So let's do it again. I have no clue what this is going to be like. If you can see, the color is not distributing evenly. I am not very sure about the distance and the gap between the strokes that I'm giving in. I don't know. Let's just keep on doing it. Okay, so I'm basically concentrating more on the crown of my head than the rest of the hair, because this does not suffice for a whole head of hairs. From the end. Okay, now this looks like a stripe, like a stripe or a stroke or a whatever. Then let's go again here. That's gonna be a weird looking hair, I believe. But now we are in it. We cannot take a U-turn from here. Whoops. Anyways, just okay. I'm not brushing my hair, I'm not combing my hair, I'm just making them sit nice. Okay, please don't comb through your hair, it's going to ruin everything. I'm not happy with the brush. At least I'm hoping that the color turns out good. Okay, can you see the strokes? So I am basically done doing the strokes in my hair. I'm gonna wait for, I know I look weird, but I'm gonna wait for 30 to 45 minutes. In my case, I'm gonna wait for 45 minutes because my hair are very difficult to color or to bleach or to lighten up. So I'm gonna wait for 45 minutes. It's 9:15 exactly, and I'm gonna wash my hair at exactly 10 o'clock. I'm gonna tell you how my hair looks like after washing and drying. So I'll get back to you in maybe an hour or hour and a half's time. See you. So hi, it's the next day and I'm back with my hair without any streaks or highlights or color in my hair. I don't know if you can see anything or no, because I simply cannot see anything. Can you see any hair color? Can you see any hair color? No, right? Even I cannot see any hair color. I was expecting the color to at least come on my roots because my roots were virgin and it's been over 2 months that I haven't colored my hair black, as in I haven't covered the grays that I have, and I've been not doing that only because I have to try this hair color out, try L'Oreal's do-it-yourself highlighting kit, and this is the result that I have. I don't know, I cannot see anything. Can you see anything? Please let me know in the comment section below if you can see any sorts of browns in my hair, because I completely failed to do that. Now there is no color anywhere. I don't know the reason for that. I don't know if the color was not good enough or my hair is not good enough. But as I already mentioned, that my hair is really difficult to color, so I was not really having high hopes out of it. And if you have hair that can be very easily colored, then this is probably the kit for you. However, the brush that they gave you for highlighting does its job. I mean, I don't think really that it does evenly distributes the hair color or anything like that. So for me, it's a big fail. I do not recommend it if you are dyeing your hair, if you have chemically treated hair or anything of that sort. If you put henna in your hair, please don't use this color. It's of no use. You basically have to rip the color out of your hair and then put on a highlighting or a fashion color. That's the basic funda of hair coloring. So although this looks very simple and easy, that you have to mix 2 ingredients, mix the color, there's a highlighting brush with 3 strokes which you keep on stroking your hair and you get beautiful highlights. That's not what it is gonna give you. 1, it is not evenly distributing the color. 2, it is not even picking up the color evenly. So I really don't like it. The color wasn't strong enough to color my hair, as you can see, and I think now I'll have to fix my hair. It's been 2 months I haven't colored my hair with the black color that I do, so it's about the time for me to do that. So that's gonna be another video, but that's it for now. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new videos. Also let me know in the comment section below what new content or products you want me to review for you guys. And that's it. I am signing off. Bye. I'm gonna see you in the next one.